Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Thursday 20 March 2025. Thursday 20 March UK 49 lunchtime prediction first number 5, number 16, number 21, number 39, number 41, booster number 8. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership, 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number, 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number. First number 4, number 14, number 25, number 30, number 42, booster number 15. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.